Hi, I'm Lonnie. I work for an IT company. I'm an account executive and I give DocuSign a 5. We decided not to go. Other options were PandaDoc and HelloSign. We decided not to use those because of their complex interface and also their pricing points. We decided to go with DocuSign as our software to use because of the easy access to it and able to get it to our customers easily. It gives very good, clear instructions on how to sign the documents and where they are needed to be signed. And also, it comes back to us for our accounting easily, and we are notified in a timely fashion that the documents have been completed and if there are any issues and additional things that are needed for it. We integrated DocuSign into our company. It was a very easy process. I felt like it didn't take much to transition into it. We were able to, within a day, have it out to our clients and really up and functioning within our accounting system. I would say it was a smooth transition and there was not much of a learning curve for getting other people and other customers to use it. I highly recommend DocuSign. If you are deciding between other products and DocuSign, I would say definitely go with DocuSign. Their price point is very good and what they offer is amazing. All of our customers that we have used it with so far have been very pleased and there have been no issues. And easily, if there are any questions with what the documents that they are signing, they can easily access us to be able to get answers to those particular questions. And they also have, our clients have said that they easily know where exactly they need to sign in the document rather than having to search through and find the signature boxes. So I think it works out for everyone and it makes our life in the accounting department even easier.